Hey, what's going on, good people? Gardner Douglas, your oyster ninja. And as you can see, we got some soft shell crabs here that I cleaned up from the last video. And if you didn't, you can go check it out. I'll put the link right up here. And so what I'm gonna be doing is just a basic fry. I got the New Orleans style shrimp fry, but you know, it's just seasoned, batter. So it's Zatarain's, so it's just basic. So the reason why I have the other spices here is because I'm gonna see how this tastes. I've never had it, so I might need to add some other flavors to it. Maybe a little salt. I love garlic with everything. Paprika is just for color, and of course pepper, white pepper. But let's see. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's always one. So I love soft shell crabs. Takes me back to my days on the Eastern Shore. You get crab season coming in, around April 1st. And, you just know soft shells are right behind it. So I'm just gonna So I just smelled it a little bit, tasted it a little bit. I don't really, okay, it is a little kick to it. So I'm just gonna fry one up and see how it goes. I've already cleaned these. Your other options, you could kind of baste these with like a egg wash, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll probably oil it up. I'm gonna oil it up. So what I'm gonna do, I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna just try something I never tried before since I got, so many of them. I'm gonna just baste one with just like oil. So I'm just gonna use a basic basting oil for the first one. And then we'll see how it goes. Don't wanna add too much, just enough. Ooh, man, all that mustard. I like to keep that right in there. Usually I would have went old school with it and got my, grocery store bag and put the flour in there and put my soft shell crab in there. Don't usually do it like this, but it's getting the job done. And all I did was add my oil to it, my basting oil. We're just gonna do a light coat, and then I'm gonna drop it into the deep fryer. Okay, and let's see how this goes. So I'm just gonna do another one here. That was easy enough. And that was without anything. So we're gonna try a couple different ways to do this, and I'll let you know which one I like best. Gotta get those legs because they get nice and crispy. Love soft shell crabs, love soft shell crabs. I know my mom is probably having a fit. I know she's probably watching this video. Shout out to Mary. Mary. Okay, and this is just regular with a light base. So this is how they turned out. The first one is with the oil and the second is without the oil. I think I'm gonna go without the oil, or I'm gonna try a couple more things, but just nice and crispy. It depends on, how you like yours fried. I guess you could have fried a little bit longer, but these are perfect in my opinion. This is, like I said, a basic a basic tutorial, but you can dress it up however you like. With the next batch, I'm gonna add some more Old Bay seasoning to it, and probably that's it. Just more Old Bay and garlic, and that's it. And if you want to open this up a little, some, you can just see the crab meat popping out. And it's nice and hot. But you can just see the crab meat popping out. All that nice, beautiful meat. That's the beautiful thing about soft shell crabs, man. You know, it's just nothing but meat. You can eat the whole thing. And, you know, of course, the freshness, because you can only eat it during season. Of course, you can freeze these up if you want to. Some later in the year. But if you have any questions, pop them down in the comment box, and I hope you enjoyed. And this is, like I said, very easy to do, as you see. Please like, share, subscribe. Easy tutorial here. The easiest way I know how to fry some soft shell crabs. What's up, good people? I'm sorry to chew with my mouth open, or talk with my mouth open. My gracious, this soft shell sandwich is so delicious. So delicious. And I just took a couple bites. Oh my gosh. And it's jumbo soft shell. So juicy. Cheers.